Welcome to Radiate, the Authentic Style podcast, where we explore how color, confidence, and personal style can transform how you see yourself and how the world sees you. I'm Kathy McKenzie, your host and a wardrobe color consultant and creative communicator who loves helping women rediscover their sparkle after 40. Each week, we uncover simple ways for you to feel more radiant, aligned, and authentically you. Because true style starts on the inside. So grab your coffee, step into your favorite color, and let's begin today's episode of Radiate. Welcome to Radiate, the Authentic Style podcast, where color, confidence, and authenticity come together to help you shine from the inside out. I'm Kathy McKenzie, wardrobe color consultant and style coach, and today we're talking about something fun, something powerful, color as confidence. I call it the Confidence Color Toolkit because sometimes all it takes to shift your energy, your focus, your mood, your outlook is the right color in the right moment. We're going to talk about the science and spirit of color. You see, color is energy, pure, visible vibration. Every color has a frequency, and our bodies respond to those frequencies. Warm tones energize us. Cool tones calm us. Bright tones lift us. Soft tones smooth us. You've probably felt it. That instant lift when you wear a color that feels like sunshine, or the grounded peace that comes from soft neutrals. Color doesn't just decorate our world, it communicates with our nervous system. And when you understand that language, when you choose your colors intentionally, you start using color as a daily tool for confidence, clarity, and joy. Let's open your toolkit together. Here are the 5 color categories I teach my clients and how to use them to shift your mindset in real life. 1. The power color. This is for courage and visibility. This is your stand tall color, the one that helps you show up when you need to be seen. It might be a deep teal, crimson, coral, or navy. Whatever in your palette says, I've got this. Use this when you're speaking in public, leading a meeting, or tackling something new. Power colors don't make you louder, they make you grounded in your worth. 2. The calm color, for centering and grounding. The color creates peace. It balances emotion and focus. Soft greens, muted blues, gentle beiges, anything that feels like an exhale. Use it when you're overwhelmed, anxious, or entering a stressful situation. Wrap yourself in calm. Let color help you breathe. 3. The joy color, for energy and optimism. Your joy color is pure sunshine, the hue that instantly lifts your mood. For some women, it's coral. For others, lemon yellow, turquoise, or rose pink. You want to use this color when you need motivation or you're starting your day on low energy. Add it through a scarf or lipstick or even earrings. Just a pop can rewire your mood. 4. The trust color. This is for connection and ease. This one builds rapport. It's the color that makes others feel at ease in your presence. Often, it's found in your mid-range, your muted tones. Think dusty blue, soft peach, sage. You want to use it when meeting new people, networking, or having heartfelt conversations. It says, you can relax with me. 5. The signature color. For alignment and authenticity, this is your color. The one that feels like your spirit, the one you always come back to. It's not about psychology, it's about resonance. Use it when you want to feel completely yourself. On a tough day, it reconnects you to your essence. Once you identify these 5 colors from your palette, you'll have a mood management system built right into your wardrobe. You'll never again feel like your clothes are random. Every choice will be intentional. Let me tell you a story about the day that everything shifted. One of my clients, Marcia, told me she had a hard time showing up at work with confidence. She'd been promoted, but she felt invisible in meetings. Her natural coloring was winter, rich, clear, cool. But her wardrobe was filled with pastels and beige. We replaced them with jewel tones, cranberry, cobalt, charcoal. The next week she called and said, "Kathy, I didn't change a single word I said in meetings, but people listen differently." That's what happens when your visual energy finally matches your personal power. Color doesn't just decorate your confidence, it activates it. So you may be wondering, how do I build my daily confidence ritual? Here's how you can use your Color Toolkit every day. 1. Morning mood check. Ask yourself, how do I want to feel today? Not, what should I wear? Then choose a color that supports that emotion. 2. Dress with intention. Even if you're staying home, add one item in your power or joy color. Your mirror will reflect that energy back to you. 3. Surround yourself with color. Confidence doesn't stop at your closet. Bring your palette into your workplace. Flowers, notebooks, coffee mugs. Visual harmony builds emotional balance. 4. Anchor with accessories. If you need calm during a busy day, wear earrings or a scarf in your calm color. Small color touches can shift your mood faster than you'd imagine. In closing, I want to say confidence isn't something you wake up with. It's something you cultivate. And color is one of the gentlest, most beautiful ways to do that. So tomorrow morning, before you reach for black, pause. Ask yourself, what color will help me feel how I want to feel today? Then wear it boldly. Thank you for joining me on Radiate, the Authentic Style podcast. If today's episode inspired you to explore your confidence colors and you are located between Austin and San Antonio, Texas, visit yourbestcolors.net to schedule your personal in-home color analysis so you can discover the hues that truly empower you. Until next time, keep shining in your true tones and remember, color is confidence you can wear.